Hello guys, so it's Peter here, PS Listener from Inte.Team. Guys, I don't know what to say, to be true. I'm literally speechless. So if you will go to iParts4U website, you can see that on their website, yes, they've got product which I would never think would be possible to see. iParts4U, search criteria, you can look. I don't even try to understand why. I've seen a post on Facebook because I'm on their groups, like we've got forward 0 for screen protectors printing, yes, and we've got their their parts all the time here because they've got quality parts. Literally, that's a really good British supplier, and we're using them, yes, frequently, especially with the next day delivery and so on. They've got good prices, and if you will log in as us, which have discount, we can buy it, of course, cheaper. Yes, if somebody, of course, would want to buy it, we don't plan to buy it, but anyways, $11.99.95. Yes, it's the price. Without the discount, yes. So if you've got account with proper discounts here, yes, your price will of course change to $3.59. One of my technicians have asked me, why I would even like buy it, yes, and I said, well, if I would buy it to use, I would buy more than one. If I would buy it just to have a limited edition, yes, then I would buy just one. But yeah, it's shocking, the internet, I would say, at the moment. Why they've done it, I've got no idea. They are quite bold, or I don't know. You judge yourself. For me, it's a shock. That's why I thought I'll share the shock with you. I've got no idea why, what, how, and so on. Is it a normal reality, or they trying to get some vibe out of it? I don't know. Maybe they need some commercial, this way. Maybe. I don't know. But, comment down below if you think or know better than I do. But this is shocking, the internet at the moment. Such a good supplier, and I will be keep on using it. That won't change anything, yes. They can have, like Amazon, all the kind of products, yes, in stock. That doesn't change anything. But just a shocking experience, because I never seen, if they've got any other products like that. Let's face it, I'm not aware of that. That's why I've made this short video for you guys. Well, that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you today. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.